gonna do a little cozy fall bake with me. Last time I did one of these, I was like, I am not doing another one. Here I am doing another one. And I have found such a beautiful, amazing, perfect recipe. We are making chewy pumpkin cheesecake cookies. They are supposed to look like this. I don't think I will get anywhere near this, but I'm willing to try. The first step is to make the cream cheese filling, and I'm already going to mess that up because you're supposed to let it sit in the freezer for an hour and a half, and I don't really want to. I don't have the patience. But we get to do the fun thing of blotting the pumpkin puree to get out some of the excess moisture to make the cookies chewy, not cakey. Not around here. Hell yeah. Let's get into it. Ew. This feels so wrong. Ew. I bet you want to make this recipe. Okay, so now this is supposed to be 1/3 of a cup. Okay, we're gonna say this is good. Ew. I melted an entire cup of butter. Like I don't want to think about it. If I'm being honest, I don't. Because that is a massive amount of butter. I think that just means this is going to be a delicious cookie. Full of butter. Oh, it doesn't feel good. It does not. Okay, this is the best that it's gonna get, but honestly, it doesn't look too bad, okay? It's already smelling good. That must just be all of the butter and sugar, whatever, it's delicious. Time to set this aside, and then we're going to do the dry ingredients. Yum. She's a baker. This feels so good to use these cute silver bowls. I feel like a professional. It makes the cookies and the muffins and whatever else I make taste better. I also eat my salads in here. That feels like a lot of flour, but I'm just following the recipe, so I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's fine. Actually, speaking of a lot, it calls for 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice. I feel like that's kind of a lot. Oh my God, that was the wrong one. This is the pumpkin spice. This is the ground cinnamon. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Okay. Oh God, oh God. Now I'm ruining the cinnamon. Oh God. Oh God, it says a pinch of cinnamon. Oh, I can't believe I've done this. Okay, I feel like this is a little bit more than a pinch, but also I gotta put in some more flour. Oh God, oh God. It's fine, we're fine. We're fine. Oh my God, this smells so strong. Baking soda, teaspoon. I don't trust myself anymore. Oh my God, I'm freaking so hard. Oh my God, what's happening to me? Okay, now I just gradually mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and hope and pray. And I cannot over mix it, it says. I've been watching a lot of the Great British Baking Show, and they say you overworked it, but I didn't see a problem with it, so. Oh God. The instructions say to put this in the fridge for half an hour, and like I said, I don't like to do that. But seeing as how I feel like I've already messed up this recipe just a teensy weensy bit, I'm actually going to do that. Then I'm going to make the cream cheese filling, put that in the fridge for a little bit, because again, might as well like do it correctly, even though I already have decided that I won't, whatever. But before I put this away, I want to try the batter because that's my favorite part, okay? It's delicious. It tastes so good. I'm very hopeful that these cookies will turn out halfway decent. So let me put this in the fridge and then we'll get started on the cream cheese cheesecake filling. Girl, whatever. I only want to do half of what the recipe calls for because I only want to put this on half of the cookies. Yeah. Now I'm supposed to put this into little balls and then freeze it. Okay, this looks so effing cute. It's supposed to be parchment paper, but I only have foil, so we make it work. Pumpkin spice and granulated sugar. Okay, I have everything I need here, I think. Oh God, I'm so scared. Okay. Then I roll it in this. Okay, that feels like a lot of sugar. Whatever. Okay, and then there. Look how delicious these look. I will say that they were getting a little sticky. As long as the flavor's there, I will deal with it. So let's get these into the oven. Double fisting today, okay? We got a lot of cookies to get through. So now these will be in here for 9 minutes. I think the bottom oven cooks a little quicker. So I'm just gonna do 8 because I do not wanna mess these up. Yay! They are looking so yummy delicious. I think these look good. Oh, this one does look a little underdone. Putting these back, whatever. They look the exact same. Perfect. This smells so good. Even with no cream cheese, these look beautiful and perfect. So I'm gonna put these in the oven and then I'm gonna try these. Oh God, I'm so excited. It looks so delicious. Look at that, no cream cheese even leaked out. I'm so impressed. It's still a little soft, which is my ideal cookie. Okay, the cookie's like a little shiny from all the sugar I rolled it in. It is so good, perhaps a little underbaked. And I didn't get any cream cheese in that bite. Let me have another bite. She's done it. She's a baker. Maybe follow it a little bit better, but clearly if you don't follow it to a T, it still will probably turn out good. Wee bit underbaked, but the flavors are there. Great texture. That's my British accent. I'm overjoyed that the cookie base tastes amazing even without having the cream cheese in it. You know, trying to look out for my lactose intolerant people out there. Not me, not I. It's so good. This is maybe one of the best things I've ever baked. I'm acting like I made the recipe. Okay, whatever. They look amazing. I am so thankful that this actually turned out well. Highly recommend this. I know Friendsgiving, Thanksgiving is coming up. It's very sweet, but it is delicious. There's a cup of butter in it, 2 cups of sugar, a little bit more. Okay, what more could you want out of a cookie? Okay, well, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Happy fall, happy baking. I hope to see you next time for whatever we get up to. Bye.